Assalamu alaikum, dear student. How do you do? I am fine. I think you are also good and well. Today I am going to teach you English first paper for the students of class 11 and 12, Unit 9, Lesson 1. The lesson is about what is diaspora. After reading this lesson, we will be able to know about diaspora, some important examples of diaspora and causes of diaspora. At first, we should know about diaspora. The word diaspora refers to the people who have left their homeland and settled in the other part of the world collectively or in a group. And some examples of diaspora are the Jewish diaspora, the Aryan diaspora and the Palestinian diaspora. The main causes of diaspora are war, ravage of nature and globalization. At first, we should go through the lesson. Please listen to me carefully. I am going to read the passage. The term diaspora is used to refer to people who have left their homelands and settled in other parts of the world, either because they were forced to do so or because they wanted to live on their own. The word is increasingly used for such people as a collective group and or a community. The world has seen many diasporas, but scholars have been studying the phenomenon with great interest only in recent decades. Among the great diasporas of history is that of the Jewish people who were forced to leave their lands in ancient times. The movement of Aryans from Central Europe to the Indian subcontinent thousands of years ago is also a noteworthy diaspora, although the causes of this diaspora are unclear. In 20th century history, the Palestinian diaspora has attracted a lot of attention and been a cause of concern for world leaders because of the plight of Palestinians. There have been massive diasporas in Africa too over the centuries, either because of war and because of the ravage of nature. But the chief reason why the phenomenon of diaspora is attracting so much attention now is globalization. Today, we will learn your question on to make short notes. In writing this question, we should follow 2 points. One is the structure of the given one, and the another is the theme or what does the question want. I am going to write the question. Make short note on notes in the follow start reading the lesson. Reading the lesson. First one has been done for you and for you about diasporas examples and their causes. Please, I am going to write the first box. Diaspora of Jews. If we look at the first one, we can see that it is a phrase. So we have to write down the answer in phrase or words. And here the name of one diaspora is given. We can write down another some examples of diaspora. Diaspora of Aryan diaspora of Palestinian. Now I am going to write down some causes of diaspora. First cause of diaspora is war. Second causes of diaspora are ravages of nature. And the last cause of diaspora is globalization. Now I am going to give you a homework. Write down a paragraph about diaspora. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye.